Alright, so.
You know what to do, Jake?
Wait, so what did I say? It's a special gift from Mommy and Daddy. And a secret, super fancy box that you lift straight up.
Just
Alright,
like that, Jake.
just like that. Now you guys go over there, put your hands on it. Don't lift it yet. On the count of 3. Wait, I can't see your faces. On the count of 3, you lift it up. 1. Remember, who's this from? Auntie?
From Mommy and Daddy.
And why are we letting you guys open it tonight? Hey! I see him moving it because Santa's coming tomorrow.
Yeah.
And you'll have so many things to open that we're giving you Mommy and Daddy's tonight. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Lift it up. Woo! Yay! Thank you.
I don't think Jake knows what it is, Hannah. Hannah, tell Jakey what it is.
Hell no.
And Daddy.
And Daddy.
Go tell Jakey what it is.
Jake, it's a Wii. Jake, it's a Wii.
Just like Hunter has.
It's Super Mario Brother. It's Super Mario Brother.
Merry Christmas, kids.
Thank you.
Guys.